The Osmo Pocket 3 is still a great gimbal, great pocket camera, and I have no intentions on jumping ship to the newer ones in 2026. And here are some reasons why. I just don't see the Pocket 4 or 4P that we can't get in the States anyway, or even the Insta 360 Ultra or Luna Ultra is a night and day difference from the Pocket 3. And I really think some people are sleeping on some of the flexibilities that this Pocket 3 has. Look at the extender that comes with the combo. Did anybody know that you can hook a receiver from your DJI Mic 3, for instance, to the extender's Type-C port, and you can use the receiver for much better audio quality versus the Bluetooth transmitter that comes with the combo pack. You're talking about 32-bit float, adaptive gain control, lossless audio, and more. Now let's talk about active tracking. Osmo Pocket 3 has active tracking 6.0. Pocket 4P has active tracking 7.0. Do you not think that the Pocket 3 will not get the 7.0 active tracking via firmware? I think y'all might need to think twice about that, because that's only a firmware upgrade. And to be honest, I don't see myself being 35 feet away. I'm at least 35 feet away right here recording content. I don't see nobody recording content this far away. You can't see nobody. The subject cannot be seen that far away. Now, if you're doing drone footage and you shooting other subjects like landmarks, vehicles, and things like that, I get it. But for the most part, that is too far. It's marketing. And I get it though. I get it. But I'm just not going to be shooting content that far away. It's going to be at least 5, 8, maybe 10 feet away. I just really think the selling point of all these pocket cameras and so on is just marketing. And upcoming, I'm about to show you where the D-Log footage, the video quality is very marginal. And that's coming up right about now. And I just don't see the justification in that upgrade. Okay, so now on one side of your screen, you will see before I color grade or just drop the free DJI LUT into my editing software. I don't really have to manipulate my colors, contrast, or none of that really much more. However, I can make it to my liking. And that's the good part about D-Log. And this is 10-bit as well. Now, I'm not saying this because I can't afford it, because I can afford it. However, if I'm paying $1,000, close to $1,000 for anything, it's not going to be a pocket camera. Pocket camera has its places. They are very convenient. Put them in your pocket, run and gun, get your shoot, bring it back, do your editing, upload, or do what you're going to do with it. That I am in favor of. But what I'm not in favor of is the price. Now, I get it. You will have to put on a rig, put on all this extras just to use a full frame camera, mirrorless cameras, crop cameras, things like that. But if I'm paying that much more for anything, it's going to be glass. That means lenses for one of my 4 Sony cameras. And that's just me. I don't count nobody pockets, and I can't tell nobody what to do with their money, but it just don't make logical sense to me. The footage I've seen from the Pocket 4, the Pocket 4P, even the Insta 360 Luna has not been a night and day difference from this Pocket 3 that you're looking at right now. And if anybody tell me that, then hey, to each his own. But I have not seen any difference that warrant me from doffing off that money for that. And besides, I would not dare pay that much. Based on what I'm reading, there's a lot of issues with the Insta360 Lunar Ultra as we speak. That's why I would never be the first adopter of any product. I let other people do the bugs, get the bugs worked out and all that. I let them do the testing and all that. Then I'll wait till the price come down. I'll wait till everything be fixed. And then perhaps I will get it. But it's just hard to justify upgrading from my Pocket 3. Keep in mind, I've never owned a Pocket 3. I just got this Pocket 3 a week ago. A week ago. Simple as that. I've always used my phones or my Action 5 Pro or something on that level, or even my mirrorless cameras. But I rarely use them unless I'm shooting an event. And at the end of the day, it's your money. But I just don't see any justification for upgrading, in my opinion, to the 4, the 4P, or the Insta Lunar 360, or the 360 Lunar Ultra, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't make a difference. Low lighting, it's a little bit better, but the camera is only as good as the person that's using it at the end of the day. That's going to be it. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I will see y'all in the next video. And leave a comment as well. Peace.